Okay, so you've got this killer business idea brewing,
Uh-huh.
and now you're thinking about making it official
Yeah.
with an LLC
In
California.
makes sense.
But then you see all this stuff about getting one for she,
Oh, yeah.
and you think,
Wait a minute. What's the catch?
there's got to be a catch.
Right.
Totally.
That's exactly what we're diving into today.
All right, let's do it.
We're going deep with Inc. Authority.
They seem to be the go-to for this.
Yeah, they've got a ton of resources on this whole LLC thing.
And I'm ready to break it all down.
We're talking about those hidden costs everyone whispers about.
Yeah.
And that big decision.
LLC versus corporation.
Right.
Huge.
So are you ready to get started?
Absolutely. I'm all in.
Awesome.
Let's do it.
So we've got like 6 different things from Inc. Authority here.
6.
Yeah, a whole stack.
Wow.
Don't worry, though.
Okay.
We sifted through it all
Thanks for that.
to make it digestible.
Appreciate it.
But before we get into all the nitty-gritty details... Yeah.
Let's back up for a sec.
Okay.
Can you remind us what an LLC even is?
Sure.
And why someone in California
Okay.
might want to go that route?
So an LLC stands for Limited Liability Company.
Okay.
It's basically a structure that protects your personal assets
Interesting.
from business debts and lawsuits.
Oh, that's important.
Right.
Yeah.
Like imagine a shield between your personal life
Uh-huh.
and your business ventures.
Okay, so if things go south with the business,
Yeah.
my house is safe.
Exactly.
Thank God.
Super common in California.
Really?
Yeah, especially for smaller businesses and entrepreneurs.
Okay. That makes
Makes
sense.
sense.
But let's circle back to that whole free thing.
All right.
Is it really free?
Good question.
Inc. Authority has to be getting something out of this, right?
Wait, you're right to be skeptical.
Uh-huh.
They do provide the service of forming your LLC for free.
Okay.
They handle preparing and filing the paperwork with California.
So they do all the heavy lifting?
Yeah. It's called your Articles of Organization.
Articles of organization?
Yeah, think of it like your LLC's birth certificate.
Ah,
Officially registers your business with the state.
interesting.
Yeah.
So then what's the catch?
So the catch is,
Yeah.
there are still those state filing fees.
Ah, I knew it.
And those vary from state to state.
Okay.
And you'll also need a registered agent. A registered agent.
Right.
Basically, someone who receives legal and official mail for your LLC.
Oh, so like a middleman?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Inc. Authority offers that service,
They do.
but you can go with someone else if you want.
Got it.
The important thing is Inc. Authority is upfront about these extra costs.
Okay, so no hidden surprises.
Nope, they lay it all out.
Good to know.
Transparency is key.
Definitely.
Absolutely.
So I noticed one of the Inc. Authority blog posts tackles the whole LLC versus corporation dilemma.
Yeah, that's a big one.
That's got to be a tough decision, right?
It can be.
What are the major things people should be thinking about?
It all boils down to your business goals
Okay.
and your comfort level.
Comfort level.
Yeah, some people prefer a simpler structure.
Gotcha.
LLCs offer a lot of flexibility.
Okay.
They have what's called pass-through taxation.
Pass through.
Yeah, profits and losses go on your personal income tax return.
So it's like the money flows through the business.
Yeah, directly to you.
Okay.
And they usually have simpler management structures.
Less paperwork.
Exactly.
Makes sense.
On flip side,
Uh-huh.
corporations,
Yeah.
sometimes called Inc. structures,
Okay.
can offer tax benefits in certain situations.
Really?
They can also issue stock,
Oh, interesting.
which can be attractive to investors.
Yeah, if you're looking for funding.
Exactly. And they
Yeah.
generally operate under a more formal structure.
So more established.
Yeah, a more corporate feel.
Gotcha.
But it all comes down to what makes the most sense for you.
Right. It's not one size fits all.
Nope, definitely not.
Okay, so to make this more concrete,
Yeah.
let's say I'm starting a small online business selling handmade jewelry.
Oh,
What would be the difference between an LLC and a corporation
good question.
in terms of taxes?
So with an LLC and that pass-through taxation,
Yeah.
you'd report your business income and expenses on your personal tax return.
Okay.
Let's say you make a profit of $10,000.
All right.
That $10,000 gets added to your personal income,
Uh-huh.
and you're taxed at your individual income tax rate.
Got it.
With a corporation, the business itself is taxed separately.
Okay.
So that $10,000 profit might be taxed at the corporate tax rate.
Interesting.
And then if you distribute those profits to yourself as dividends,
Yeah.
you'd be taxed again on your personal return.
Double taxed.
essentially.
Oh,
The Inc. Authority blog post breaks this down really well.
definitely seems like a lot to consider.
It is a big decision.
Now, Inc. Authority also has this video
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
that walks you through the steps of forming an LLC.
Super helpful.
I thought it was really useful.
Agreed.
So let's say you've decided an LLC is the way to go.
Right.
What are the actual steps to make it happen?
It's actually more straightforward than you might think.
Really?
First, you got to pick a unique name for your LLC.
Okay.
Then you need that registered agent we talked about.
Right, the male person.
Exactly.
Yeah,
After that, you file your articles of organization with California.
that's the birth certificate.
Yeah, and Inc. Authority takes care of that for free.
Oh, nice.
You also need to create either bylaws or an operating agreement.
Yeah, those.
It basically sets the rules for how your LLC will be run.
Like a rule book.
Yeah, exactly.
okay.
And fun fact, the Start a Corporation blog post from Inc. Authority
Mm-hmm.
actually outlines a process that applies to LLCs too.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
So once your LLC is up and running,
Uh-huh.
what about all the ongoing stuff?
Yes.
Compliance, paperwork, all that fun stuff.
Right. Forming your LLC is just the first step.
Okay.
California requires LLCs to file an annual statement of information. Basically keeps your business info up to date with the state.
Okay.
You also have to pay an annual franchise tax.
Another tax.
Got it. Staying on top of all that is important to keep your LLC in good standing.
So no skipping out on the paperwork.
Yeah, stay compliant.
So just to recap,
Right.
it is possible to form an LLC in California for free
Ah,
with Inc. Authority.
they make it easy.
They handle the paperwork, but you're responsible for state fees
Uh-huh.
and things like the registered agent.
Exactly.
Got it.
But we can't emphasize enough
What's that?
that choosing the right business structure is a big deal.
Huge.
Whether you go LLC or corporation,
Yeah?
really weigh those pros and cons
Uh-huh.
and choose what aligns with your business needs and goals.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Well, we covered a lot today.
We
I
did.
hope it was helpful.
I think so.
Good.
Now, the big question for you listening,
What's that?
what awesome business will you bring to life
Ooh, I like
with your LLC?
big question.
We've got links to all the Inc. Authority resources in the show notes,
Go check them out.
so you can dig in and learn more.
Do your research.
Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.
You got this.
We're rooting for you.
Always.
Okay, that's it for this deep dive.
Until next time.
See ya.
Bye.